Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong single player. To begin, understand that this version is a solitaire puzzle, not the traditional four-player game. Your main goal is to remove all 144 tiles from the board by finding matching pairs. Each pair must consist of two identical tiles that are free, meaning they are not blocked by other tiles on their sides or top. This game offers a relaxing yet challenging mental exercise. Setting up your single-player Mahjong game is crucial for a smooth experience. You'll arrange all 144 tiles into a predefined layout, often a pyramid or dragon shape, with multiple layers. Make sure every tile is face-up and clearly visible. This initial arrangement determines which tiles are accessible. Take your time during setup. A well-organized board makes gameplay much more enjoyable and less frustrating. The core of single-player Mahjong is matching tiles. A tile is considered free if it has no other tile directly on top of it and is open on either its left or right long side. You must find two identical free tiles and click or tap them to remove them from the layout. This action often uncovers new tiles, expanding your options. Strategic thinking is key. Sometimes removing an obvious pair might block future moves. You achieve victory in single-player Mahjong when you successfully clear all 144 tiles from the board. If you reach a point where no more free pairs can be made, the game ends and you've lost that round. For advanced play, try to prioritize removing tiles that are part of higher layers or those that are blocking the most other tiles. This strategy helps open up the board more effectively and increases your chances of winning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.